Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm from Brazil and I've been here for almost 2 weeks as a volunteer in this beautiful place and was such amazing experience. So here I have opportunity to work at the cafe with this beautiful view. I could learn new skills like I never been made a coffee before here, so was amazing. I also want to invite you to do the same, to come to this place as a volunteer, to improve your skills, to learn more about new Buddhism. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Sylvia. I'm here in Nagarjuna KMC. For me, it was a very nice experience. I learned too much here. I meet incredible people, amazing people. I recommend you come here and live the experience. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jean-François. I have been volunteer for Women's. I would like to say this place is really amazing. People with me is really nice, and you can learn from meditation. You can take your time for yourself. So if you want, just take time for you and training with English. It's really a good place. So go for it. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Dylan and I've been volunteering here at the centre now for nearly 3 weeks, and I can't express how much it has helped me as a person along my new journey. It's not only about the experiences, it's about the inner peace that it can give you. It's amazing. You meet amazing people, and the centre is just, it's picture perfect. I mean, come on over, Sean. And this is the amazing woman who made it all happen. And I genuinely thank you from the bottom of my heart.
It's been lovely having
Guys,
you.
it's amazing. Come along and join us. It's amazing.